Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Dodge key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Hello everybody, we're working on a 2013 Dodge Challenger push to start, and also the fob, as the button comes out we can program the key to turn the dashboard on manually. So we pop the button out. We're going to put the first key in the ignition. We're hooked up into the OBD. We're going to go into key learning. The alarm is going off. As soon as we shut it off, we should get the alarm off. We should reprogram the key. There we go. The key is programmed. Do you want to program the next key? Yes, we do. We're going to put it in the ignition, turn it. And we have 5 keys in the system as of now. Okay, so we don't want to program anymore. The vehicle starts. The buttons work. Now we're going to program the smart key sequence, because remember, this is a push to start option. So we're going to press it says for PEPs, please remove the start button and insert the key to be learned. So we remove the start button. And this is going to program the proximity function of the key. Okay, successful. And we're going to do the other one. So we just put the second key in the ignition. Let's go. Should be done any second. All right, so that's complete. So now we're going to pull the key out. We're going to take the button and push it back into the slot. And we're going to put the foot on the brakes. And the car starts. So remember, these are optional. The button can come out on select models, and the fob does go in and turn. They do that in case the battery dies in the remote and you're not able to proc start your ignition. Other than that, it's pretty simple. Thanks for watching 2013 Dodge Challenger key programming. Have a good day.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.